Yo, Dalton here, your trusted partner in lead acquisition. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your LLMS.txt file on your website, as well as a quick template on how you could easily implement this and take advantage of AI visibility. Now, jumping straight into it, what is an LLMS.txt file? It's basically just a file, the same like with your robot.txt file, that tells AI a little bit about your website, about your brand identity, what AI can and can't do with your content, and it helps with just overall AI visibility. Does it help with ranking? It's speculative. Some people say yes, some people say no. It depends where you're looking. But overall, it's just going to help get your visibility out there. So in my opinion, I would say yes, it does help with ranking, but I don't think it will effectively boost your organic SEO rankings in terms of your ranking on Google, stuff like that. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, knowing how to actually access where to put this file on your website, you will need to go to your hosting provider. I know plugins like Yoast SEO and Rank Math, they have an easy accessibility in the settings that allow you to just import it. So you can either go that route, or you could go to your hosting provider, go to the website, select dashboard. After you've done that, go to file manager. I know cPanel, you'll also be able to go into the file manager. And then here is where you will create, just give it a second while it loads. Here you will create a new file. You will call that file LLMS.txt. You can go ahead and select create. What you want to do is head on over to the link that I have in the description. You can just copy this entire template and paste it into that file and hit save. So jumping back to the file real quick, let's just go over a few key things. I'll also have a few articles listed down below if you guys want to dive deeper into this, but I only have 5 minutes because this is a Loom. So jumping into it, the identity, this is basically telling AI about your business, about your company, about your website. Site name, so that's the name of your company, that's the URL, and then a description of what describes you best. What do you guys do? Is it a service-based business, for example? Content scope, this is everything that you guys offer. So for me, that would be like Google Ads, PPC, local SEO, GMB optimization, lead generation. This is where you'll list your services, your products, the topics that you guys go over. So if you're a roofer, you want to talk about exterior roofing, painters, interior painting, gutters, back to the roofers, anything that you do that's relevant to your company, your business, your website. This is what you'll put under the content scope. Content type, just a few pages that you want to highlight. So for me, it will be the landing pages, blog pages, case studies, and then I'll actually add another one in here to say service pages. Yeah, I think that's a good one. So anything that's relevant to you, you can just add it there. Priority URLs. This is just a very quick link for AI to know exactly the URLs you want to focus on. So homepage, definitely you want that one there. Services, blog, for all your blog content, and then anything that's relevant. AI permissions, I'm going to quickly skim over this. It's just going to tell AI what it can and can't do. So summarization allowed, you want to allow that so it can summarize the info on your website. Quoting allowed with attribution so that you'll get a mention on language models. Training, you can decide what you want to do, but I want to keep that at disallowed. Embedding allowed, you want to keep that active so that it can embed your link so that it's clickable. Attribution rules. Attribution includes company name. You want to include that. You want to include direct clickable links to the source so that you obviously get some SEO juice and also visibility from the AI queries. Restrictions, disallow full article reproduction, content rewrite without attribution, use in data sets or training. And then you just want to link to the technical, which is your sitemap. Just add your domain there and then your contact email. Yeah, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, drop it down below in the comments.